The government of Cameroon has banned the media from discussing the health of President Paul Biya. The ban came amid speculation into the health of the 91-year-old president, who has not been seen in public for about 1 month now. His last public appearance was on September 8th, when he left China's capital, Beijing, after attending the China-Africa Summit. His absence has triggered speculation, with reports whose sources aren't clear suggesting that the president is unwell. On Wednesday, October 9th, Cameroon's Minister of Territorial Administration, Paul Atanganji, announced a ban on media discussion of President Biya's health, saying in a statement, "The head of state is the principal institution of the republic, and discussions on his condition are a matter of national security." Atanga added, "All discussion in the media on the president's condition is therefore officially banned." The minister also conveyed the message to all regional governors, terming it highly urgent. In his statement, Atanga said anyone who violates the order will face the full force of the law. The regional governors have been directed to create monitor cells to track content in private media, including social networks. Though Atanga did not state the charge a suspect would be arraigned on, previous cases involving the media and members of the public were prosecuted using Cameroon's 2010 cybersecurity laws. Section 78, subsection 1 of the law says a person who publishes or propagates information without being able to attest its veracity or prove that the said piece of information is true shall face between 6 months to 2 years in prison, or a fine ranging from 5 million Central African francs, an equivalent of $8,300 to 10 million Central African francs, or $16,700. The offender may also face jail time plus fine. Subsection 2 says the said penalties shall be doubled where the offense is committed with the aim of disturbing public peace. On Tuesday, October 8th, Cameroon's Communication Minister René Emmanuel Sadi moved in to quell anxiety over Biya's whereabouts, terming reports about the president's alleged ailment as pure fantasy. Biya's office thereafter issued a statement saying the president is in excellent health and that he is working and attending to his affairs in Geneva City in Switzerland. According to Cameroonian officials, Biya will return home in the coming days. Opposition parties and civil society groups in Cameroon had been seeking an update on the health status and whereabouts of the president. After his China trip, Biya did not take part in the subsequent United Nations General Assembly session in New York or a summit of French-speaking countries in Paris. Reuters news agency reported that African ministers who were expecting Biya in France were equally surprised by his absence. Having spent nearly 42 years of his lifetime as head of state, Biya is Africa's second longest serving president today. He comes behind 82-year-old Equatorial Guinea's Teodoro Obiang Nguema Mbasogo, who has been president for 45 years.